Hello everyone, let's get started. So in this session, we are going to upload the information and start preparing the dashboard. So we've already seen in the last video that what type of data set we are going to use. So let's get started. So get data. You will see lots of data sources available for us to connect with Power BI, not only Excel or CSV file, but you can connect with database, cloud system. So right now we are going to use the simple data set Excel file. So either from here or from here you can directly connect with your Excel source. So sales data set, take it so that you will see the preview of your information. And this information you can either it will load to your Power BI desktop, or if you give transform data, it will lead to Power Query Editor. So Power Query Editor is an intermediate tool for us to manipulate the information. So what is manipulation? So either you want to cut this column because I already have order date. I don't need this information. So you can remove this column, or you want to split the customer name into first name and last name, or you want to add any calculation. So this is the place. Power Query Editor will allow you to transform your data. But if you don't have any transformation, you can directly load it to your Power Query, Power BI. So let's load it. As I don't have any changes much to do with this data set, you can directly load into your Power BI. So when you load the information, you will see the data under data panel. When you expand this, you will see all the columns that you're going to deal with. So sales data set is our table name, and these are all our column information, column names basically. So last session, we also discussed about the table view. So if you want to see your data in an Excel format, so you can access the table view. So back to report view, and this place visualization panel where you have an access to, there you can access all the charts, and when you click the chart, it will lead to that configuration. So see you in the next video on how to prepare the visualization.